I'm not a Wookiee. So, December Loot Crate. You can see it's Christmas around here. We got little kitties.
It's very Christmas.
Yes, very Christmas. So, December Loot Crate Galaxy. Since the new Star Wars movie came out, Star Wars Episode 7, The Force Awakens, which is awesome.
Here we go.
Ready? Dun, 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 dun. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's it. The Force has awakened. Oh, look! There's the little one on top. Whoa! Shh! It's, Christmas. I don't know who it is.
It's a pixelated space.
Yeah, but there's someone there.
What? We got snowman on here.
It's snowman like a robot thing. I'm not sure.
Oh my gosh!
It's the planet.
Whoa, yeah. Hopefully that's Earth. Okay, so
Mars rover and a snowman.
let's keep going. Don't break it. Whoa.
Sweet.
You
Lunchbox.
and SC. It's one.
United Nations Space Command. Halo 5.
Or it's underneath solar corruption. Something like that. Whoa! That's amazing. Go for the pop. Pop! It's Han Solo snow gear.
Empire Strikes Back.
You want to bring it up or you want me? I will.
And then
Get Darth Vader. Then. Oh, shit.
patch. Okay, patch.
Patch. We got
Galaxy
Quest. Patch. You read the information. Oh, there goes the book. Can't keep it anymore. Your shirt's taking up a lot of room. Just leave it. Okay. BB-8 socks. Star Wars. BB-8's the new droid now. So we're routine. These are amazing. They're better than my socks. So, can't wait to wear this shirt and that. We need to schedule a Christmas party with all this. Whoa!
Galaxy.
It's so golden. Sparkly. And what is it? You read the info? Info yourself.
December 2015. Galaxy. Space station on it.
What? Space station? Oh yeah, I do. No. That's all right in here. Not hiding anything. Pretty cool lunchbox though. And you look serious when you give it around.
And then
We have Xbox One, Halo 5, Guardians.
supply pack. For those who play Halo. Ah. And there's the station. Halo 5.
Oh. Chris Lee, Halo 5, chat with.
Crate magazine.
Oh. There's all. Oh. Across the galaxy. Wait, hey, look knocking down stuff. Oh, see if it's like. No, last time there wasn't. Wait.
This time it is a crate.
It is. Let me finish and we'll see it.
Wait.
Slow down. Slow down. Haha! I'm done. Maybe. Haha! Finish! I win! I'm the winner. And
Finally. Loot crate, loot cryo, storage box.
Oh, that's cool. We got this storage box, and this storage box.
And this storage box.
If you want to use it that way. So, that was December Galaxy Loot Crate. I was super excited for this one. The new Star Wars movie was great. And that's yeah. Bye.